I welcome one and all. I'm so happy to be here, part of this, which is going to be big asset to the nation. This Akula Manikanta and his wife, I know since their marriage, because Hari and our parents are all my very, very loyal clients in my home. So much family attachment. I'm so happy Manikanta started wonderful field. Surya, Prime Minister Surya Ghar Yojana scheme, one of the best today, as Mr. Kishan Reddy said, to size up our population. Today, 20 years back, we are in a 30, 35, 40 years I am in the industry. Those days, government used to stop our own captive units because their power will not sell. That was the situation. When we listened to the government and we stopped the captive power plants, then within a couple of years, huge shortage. They used to stop so many hours, and then process industry will not work out, stopping even 5 minutes or 1 minute. Because process industry, we have cement that has to run 24 into 300 days. Any stoppage causes a lot of huge losses. Then we started those land captive support only generators. The power is to cost a lot of money. Then destruction has come in the technology. Solar invention has come, but in the beginning days, it used to cost 14 to 18 rupees per unit. Any new invention will take time to cost effective. Today, I think 2 rupees 20 paisa it is costing, because we are also in the solar installations in our all factory. About 60-70 megawatts of captive plants will be installed. We are seeing the cost. Those days, cost of megawatt used to cost more than 12 crores. Today it is costing around 3.5. See, any technology to reach this scale, then only cost effectiveness will come. It is lesser than the coal, and also, environmentally we have been so happy because we have to see our future generation also. Keeping all these things in our mind, I am so happy that the younger generation, like Manikanta, they're all keeping the innovation platforms for the users. It is a supply chain, because in the villages, so many user people, they don't know how to approach, what to do, what not to do. This way, connecting the government and also people. It is a great, because our population is so high, our density is so high, and also future power requirement is going to be 3-fold or 4-fold, 10-fold, we don't know. Why? Because today data centers, if you compare globally, here we are at 5 to 10% levels, not even that. You all know, you are all tech people, data centers require a lot of power, a lot of water, as of today. We don't know how innovation will go forward. I'm so happy today young generations is all in technology, disruption, startups. My young grandson, who is in 9th class studying in Singapore, is of course school first, but most of the time he sits on the startups. Most of the time, we tell construction, your quality we can increase, putting the technology. And he came one of the AI conference, Delhi and Vizag. He recruited 4-5 people, and he's been guiding from there. To catch the older generation is difficult. Now today generation is born with the laptop or cell phone kind of thing. Their mindset is solar. How can we mechanize the construction? Because the labor problem is also there. Skill and quality. So many things. It is a good trend, India has a lot of potential, and we have largest professional people, and the young talent is also largest compared to other world. We are the future for this globe. So I'm so happy for this initiation. Then solar panel earlier used to be take 5 acres per 1 megawatt. Now today 3.2 acres we can install. Further, I think it will further reduce because a lot of innovation is going on. It is a continuous process, technology. When beginning my children days, inventing the typewriter was a big thing. People thought a lot of people will lose their job and now taking the assistants and writers. There used to be literature and all that. Jobs are increasing. Always we have to keep in mind, with the AI, a lot of speculations are going on. Technology disruption will lose the job. That is not true. Whenever technology destruction comes, for better movement, only transition will take place. We have to adaptability has to be very, very important. Adaptability to the new technology. Then jobs will go up. If you don't adopt, don't be smart, then problem will come. Old jobs have to shift into according to the situation. Definitely my feel is jobs will go up further and further and further. Therefore my appeal to all Indian generations, all startup company entrepreneurs, I am so happy my known boy Agla started this startup, and also for not only is enterprising, it is helping the large ethnic country. Today we have very dynamic Prime Minister, and things will be across every Wednesday, more or less they will get into cabinet meeting, a lot of decisions, a lot of initiations. But sometimes what happened in the economic drive, whatever our plans set, goals set, because of the international situations, every country will get turmoil and destruction. Today we are all witnessing last 4 or 5 years because of this wars and all that. We didn't expect it. When we planned something, these turbulences also will be there. But get prepared. Today we need at least coming 10 years 4 to 5 times of the existing power. Because so many things in the pipeline, all national grid, even small plant to bigger plant, we have to, connectivity has to be there, remote connectivity has to be there. Therefore, I request all young generation, very knowledgeable, very enthusiastic, and we have to put, as a nation, we have to work together. It is not a competition, it is a complementary for each other. Therefore, I love to all you take it up, this kind of new innovations, new disruption of the technology, take the advantage. Because where Indian people are known for very hard work. Now even Saturday, Sunday also, our people will work. And also we are known for the saving. So many opportunities are there. But whatever today China technology, they are much ahead. We should also go over there, learn, bring. My grandson was telling, you want to buy 2 robots and dismantle it, rebuild it, and you want to use those things for our construction. How to? He is so worried. Construction, why you just keep up your study. Is just a 9th class. He is entering into 10th class. Like that, I am so happy. Engineers are so enthusiastic using the technology and getting into research, getting into startups, taking a lot of experience, a lot of risk taking. All these things will be there. Once you have a confidence on yourself, one startup may fail. But you should not give it, you should not get disappointed. Today, a lot of it, industry and also investors also supporting startups. Therefore, this opportunity, we have to, build it up. We have to create a lot of enterprises. Just day before yesterday, Mr. Elon Musk declared for SpaceX company, that is a large company, see for his guys, $1.5 trillion evaluated for going for publication. Money rising, why I am saying, money rising, once talent you have, money rising may not be the issue. And you should have a lot of self-confidence. Things will fail, things will success, but you should not give it up. Our focus, once you fail, that is the step for the success. Then only you see the beauty of the life. Therefore, I encourage all the entrepreneurs to future is technology. We all know data centers, Vizag Google site for 1,30,000 crores. Like that is not even 1% of the requirement of the world. Therefore, like that startups, so many will come for that. Power is the key. And also, we should have the happy life. Environmental issue is the big concern today. Major power production is through the coal. Then we have to change our mind. We have to look into the sustainability, also very important. We have to get into renewable energy of different. In the solar is God-given free, what I can say, energy that we are converting into the power. Particularly this Prime Minister Surya Ghar Yojana, still 60-70% implementation is need to be implemented. Therefore, this kind of platforms will help, speeding up the things, helping the people. I wish all the participants and who is working in this company, I wish all good luck, and I wish to reach the success to the topest level, and where you can also serve the country and you can also serve yourself. With this, once again, main things today, even buildings also, high-rise buildings, there also solar panels can be, has come. It may be, PLF may be little difference. But anyhow, you are spending on your elevation glass and all that. With the same cost, you can put the solar panels for the elevation glass. Therefore, all this opportunity, we also have a big sustainable division where in Neopolis, Kokapeta, we are building the 20 million IT park. See, there, excavation, 9 basements we have excavated. Every particle also we have used for the building. Stone, it was a hill, stone block. That we have powdered, used for sand, used for metal. Nothing, one truck also is not gone outside. And also, in the cement manufacturing, cement utility also, there is a lot of fly ash, also iron ore. It is a waste material. That is creating a lot of health hazards. Fly ash, once wind comes, it will move. Once rain comes, it will mix with the water. All these things, innovations, young generation should keep in mind, because we have to give a very sustainable India and a clean India to the next our future generation, your future generations. Therefore, everybody should shoulder the responsibility on us, and every corporates also should keep some money for the encouraging of this kind of sustainability or startups, technology. Fortunately, today, why we should go to the America and ask a job? We should be the job givers to the world. Because we have such a talent, such a requirement. Therefore, I request all of you, and also corporates also, should come forward, spend some money, more than CSR, to the education, quality of education, particularly at higher level, universities level. Instead of going Harvard, we should build a better institute here. Therefore, it is a combined effort of the entrepreneurs, young startup companies like you, I wish you also should aim it to grow targets, because we should not shy. Elon Musk also started with a scam. His salary $1 trillion for 5 years. Targets, he agreed. Everybody said he will fail. But with all these things which I have been listening, his developments and decisions, totally out of box. Therefore, you also have that kind of dreams, and be strong yourself and look for keep the country also in mind and do all whatever best you can. I wish once again, Arla Venkata, his wife, the girl I know before marriage, and his father-in-law, thank you very much for all the participants. And my Vishweshwar Garu, he is one of the, Jamindari family. He has seen Rangareddy district is after his father-in-law, his father name, grandfather name, very, very popular family. But in spite of that, for him, there is no need to work. Apollo Hospitals also, his wife is one of the managing director of the Apollo. But whenever I meet Vishweshwar, I learn a lot of things. He's so forward-thinking person, always concerned about this thing. Any businessman, coming into politics will think twice, because there is so many challenges. Unfortunately, that area also, politics also has to mature. This country, politics has to be there only at the election time. Then whatever ideology, all the countries at first. This Vishweshwar is one of that kind of personality. I'm really happy that he's here. And also, he studied a lot of things in a lot of committees also, in the parliament committees. He will give a lot of data. He speak on that. I'm really very happy being a politician also. A politician and a great academician and a great innovator. And learn also from this kind of things. Have some seminars. Once again, I thank you, everybody. Thank you, Renda.